Hello guys, we're going to give some review of the liquid screen protector from Planet Mobile Business Club. So they say that this thing is only exclusive to Planet Mobile. So this is it, the nuclear liquid screen protector. So there's a lot of specs here. So first, how much is the price of this? So the price of this, I bought this for approximately 1,500. But my friend says that if you're a member of Planet Mobile Business Club, you can only buy this for approximately 600. So since I'm not a member, I bought this for 1,500. So my free bag, kasi friend kami. So this is the nuclear liquid screen protector. Maganda to kay may scratch guard, USA military tech. US made pala to. So yeah, ang specs ani niya kay 9H extreme hardness. O chuy kayo. So high definition, crystal clearly, antimicrobial, anti-corrosion, one size fit all screen, ultra terrain abrasion resistance. So yeah, nindot tingali ni siya. So first, I'm going to open this. Oh, there's some kind of, this is the thing. So yeah, this is the canister. So this canister contains approximately 5 drops of the liquid screen protector. So mo na siya ibutang sa imong phone, 1 drop only. So this is the wipes. Let's take a look at the instruction. The instruction says that use the wet wipes number 1. So this is the number 1 to clean the screen. So use dry tissue number 2 to do nano to screen before it dries. So yeah, then after 2 minutes use clean tissue wipe remain remnant nano clean. So this is the tissue. Pwede tingnan natin limit. So let's try. So iPhone 4S na siya. I'm going to take the tempered glass. This is a 9H tempered glass. Oh yeah, this is good. Oops, it cracks. Then number 1. So this is the wipes number 1. Going to clean it. So basically this is the wipes number 1. Oops, yeah. Okay, we're going if you can see, there is no scratch in this phone. So this is very clean. See, this thing has no scratch. Take a look. No scratch. So and we're going to put the nuclear. So they say just only 1 drop. Use dry tissue number 2 between nano to all screen before it dries. So yeah, I'm going to open the number 2 to 4. So ang number dry na siya. Number 1 kay wet. So that. So next is natin siya magtangan. Just only okay. I don't know how to do this. Oh, that's it. this is it. So you're going to scatter this all over the screen. So I think you do this with the number 2, this one, the wife's dry one. So we're going to scatter this every corner of the phone. So yeah, I think it's already 2 minutes. So I'm gonna use this one, a tissue. It's going to create excess. I use a tissue. This one. It's very clear, super smooth siya. Nipis po kayo, sinaw na kayo ang cellphone. Sa layo po, ibutangan sa kanil. So, yeah. Okay na siya. And we're going to do that torture test. Take a look. Dili na siya ma-scratch ani. See? Dili na siya ma-scratch. So, this one, the scissor. Hindi pala. See, it is not scratch. Okay, this one is a good thing. So, I think this one also ball pen. Hindi naman kayo na-scratch. So, yeah, this one is a great thing. So, overall, my review to this, my rate to this is 1 to 10. This could be a 9, or probably 10. This thing is very cool. Take a look. There's no scratch in my screen, even though I do the scissor like that. It's still not scratched. We're just going to wipe it. Then, yeah, it's still clear. It's very good. No more tempered. Wala na ibaga ang nakabutang. So it's very cool. So that's it. So thank you.